Welcome to AWS Mastery Labs, turning AWS chaos into clarity with bite-sized tutorials, hands-on labs, and exam-smashing tips. In this video, we'll introduce you to the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning services available on AWS. We'll explore what AI and ML mean and walk through key AWS services that make it easier to build smart applications. Let's get started. Let's begin by exploring the AWS machine learning stack, which is thoughtfully organized into three distinct layers, each designed to meet users where they are in their machine learning journey. At the foundation is the frameworks and infrastructure layer. This layer offers the core building blocks for machine learning, including access to powerful optimized compute options like GPU-enabled EC2 instances and custom silicon such as AWS Inferentia and Trainium. These resources are designed to accelerate both training and inference workloads. AWS also fully supports the most popular open-source frameworks, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Apache MXNet, giving developers the flexibility to use the tools they're already comfortable with, or to explore new ones optimized for AWS. The middle layer is where things become easier and more accessible. This is the platform services layer, and the centerpiece here is Amazon SageMaker. SageMaker takes the heavy lifting out of the machine learning workflow. It provides everything you need to build, train, tune, and deploy machine learning models at scale, with tools for data labeling, model monitoring, and automatic model tuning, all in a single, unified environment. At the top of the stack, we have AI services. These are pre-trained, fully managed services like Amazon Rekognition for image and video analysis, Amazon Comprehend for natural language processing, and Amazon Poly for lifelike text-to-speech conversion. These services let you integrate AI capabilities into your applications with just a few lines of code. No machine learning expertise required. One of the biggest strengths of AWS's AI and ML stack is how well these services integrate with the broader AWS ecosystem. Whether you're working with data in Amazon S3, streaming inputs via Kinesis, or building serverless applications with Lambda, these services fit seamlessly into end-to-end workflows. AWS also supports multiple deployment models to suit your needs. Whether you're running models in the cloud, deploying them to edge devices with SageMaker Edge Manager, or operating in a hybrid environment using AWS Outposts for on-premise capabilities. This layered architecture allows you to start small with pre-trained AI services and gradually scale into full custom model development and deployment without ever needing to leave the AWS ecosystem. Amazon SageMaker is AWS's fully managed service for machine learning, and it's designed to support every step of the ML lifecycle. Whether you're a data scientist, a developer, or just starting out, SageMaker provides a powerful set of tools to help you build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly and at scale. At its core, SageMaker is an end-to-end ML platform. That means it covers the entire machine learning workflow, from collecting and preparing data to training models, tuning them for better performance, and deploying them into production. Before any model can be trained, it needs data, and often that data needs to be labeled. SageMaker provides built-in tools for data labeling and preparation, helping you clean, transform, and annotate datasets for supervised learning tasks. These capabilities can even be automated to reduce manual effort. Once your data is ready, SageMaker offers a library of built-in algorithms optimized to run efficiently on AWS infrastructure. These include commonly used models for classification, regression, clustering, and more, saving you time and compute costs. If you're not an expert in model selection or tuning, that's okay. SageMaker includes AutoML capabilities through SageMaker Autopilot, which automatically analyzes your data, selects the right algorithms, and builds models for you, while still giving you visibility and control over the process. SageMaker also includes a powerful integrated development environment called SageMaker Studio. This is a web-based interface where teams can collaborate on experiments, write code, visualize data, and manage resources, all in one place. It's like an ML workbench in the cloud. For training large models or handling massive datasets, SageMaker supports distributed training. This lets you scale out training jobs across multiple compute instances for faster, more efficient results. And when you're ready to take your model beyond the cloud, SageMaker supports edge deployment using SageMaker Edge Manager. This allows you to push models to edge devices, like sensors, cameras, or mobile devices, so they can make predictions locally, even with limited connectivity. Amazon SageMaker isn't just a powerful platform, it's also incredibly versatile, enabling a wide range of real-world machine learning applications across industries. One popular use case is predictive maintenance. By analyzing sensor data from machinery or vehicles, SageMaker can help forecast equipment failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving on repair costs. In the world of computer vision, SageMaker enables the development of custom image recognition models tailored to specific industries. Whether it's identifying defects in a product assembly line, detecting crop health in agriculture, or scanning medical images for anomalies, SageMaker provides the tools to build domain-specific visual models with precision. Demand forecasting is another high-impact use case. By learning from historical sales and seasonal trends, SageMaker models can predict future product demand, allowing businesses to optimize inventory, reduce waste, and improve customer satisfaction. In finance, SageMaker is used for risk modeling, powering everything from credit scoring systems to fraud detection. By training on historical transaction data, these models can spot suspicious behavior and help institutions make smarter lending decisions. In healthcare, SageMaker enables the development of diagnostic support tools. For example, ML models trained on medical imaging can assist radiologists in identifying tumors, fractures, or other abnormalities, helping improve accuracy and patient outcomes. E-commerce platforms and streaming services benefit from recommendation engines built with SageMaker. These models analyze user behavior and preferences to serve up personalized product or content recommendations, improving engagement and conversion rates. Finally, anomaly detection systems built with SageMaker can sift through massive data streams in real time, flagging unusual patterns that could indicate anything from cybersecurity threats to equipment malfunctions or financial anomalies. Amazon Rekognition is a powerful computer vision service from AWS that makes it easy to add image and video analysis to your applications without needing to build and train your own deep learning models. At the core of Rekognition is its ability to perform image and video analysis at scale. You can analyze millions of images or hours of video content quickly and cost-effectively, ideal for applications in media, security, retail, and beyond. One of its core capabilities is object and scene detection. Rekognition can identify thousands of common objects like vehicles, animals, and furniture, as well as general scenes like beach, city, or sunset. This is especially useful for automatically tagging media libraries, improving search functionality, or organizing large image collections. Another key feature is facial analysis. Rekognition can detect faces in images and videos, and then analyze various attributes such as estimated age range, gender, emotions like happiness or surprise, and even facial landmarks like eyes and nose positions. For media and entertainment use cases, Rekognition provides celebrity recognition, identifying thousands of well-known public figures in images and videos, useful for archiving, indexing, and enhancing viewer experiences. Rekognition also supports optical character recognition, or OCR. With text and image capabilities, it can extract both printed and handwritten text from photos, scanned documents, or even street signs in natural scenes, making it easy to digitize and process real-world text. When it comes to content safety, Rekognition offers automated content moderation. It can detect potentially unsafe or inappropriate content, like nudity or violence, using customizable confidence thresholds, helping businesses meet regulatory and community standards for user-generated content. Lastly, if your use case goes beyond what's available out of the box, you can use custom labels to train Rekognition to recognize objects that are unique to your business, like custom logos, specific tools, or specialized equipment, without needing to build your own model from scratch. Amazon Rekognition powers a wide range of real-world applications across industries thanks to its ability to understand images and video at scale. First, Rekognition is often used in user verification systems, where facial authentication enables secure access to both digital platforms and physical spaces. Whether it's logging into a banking app or checking into a smart building, facial recognition enhances security and improves the user experience. In media and entertainment, recognition streamlines content library management by automatically tagging and organizing large collections of images and videos. With its ability to detect scenes, objects, and people, it helps companies save countless hours on manual cataloging and improves the discoverability of visual assets. For public sector and law enforcement agencies, recognition supports public safety applications. It can assist in identifying missing persons or flagging known individuals in crowds using facial comparison technology. Digital platforms use recognition to power content filtering workflows, protecting users, especially younger audiences, from exposure to harmful or inappropriate content. By automatically identifying explicit or violent imagery, recognition helps businesses maintain safe and compliant environments. In broadcasting, advertising, and streaming, recognition supports media analysis pipelines. It can generate rich metadata for every piece of content, like identifying the presence of certain actors or scenes, which improves search, recommendations, and audience targeting. In retail, companies are creating smart retail experiences by analyzing in-store video feeds to better understand customer demographics and behaviors. This data can be used to optimize store layouts, improve staffing, and even offer personalized shopping experiences based on real-time insights. Recognition also contributes to document processing systems, where its text detection capabilities help extract data from forms, receipts, shipping labels, and more. This enables automation in tasks like expense reporting, invoice matching, and digital archiving. And finally, recognition brings creativity to life through interactive marketing applications. From virtual try-ons to interactive displays that respond to customer presence, businesses can use computer vision to create immersive, engaging brand experiences. Amazon Transcribe is AWS's automatic speech recognition or ASR service. It enables developers to easily convert spoken language into written text, unlocking new possibilities for voice-enabled applications, audio content analysis, and accessibility features across industries. At the heart of Amazon Transcribe is speech-to-text conversion. Whether you're working with pre-recorded audio or live streaming content, Transcribe delivers accurate, real-time transcripts that are easy to integrate into your applications and workflows. Transcribe offers broad multi-language support, capable of recognizing and transcribing speech in over 100 languages and dialects. It even includes automatic language identification, so you don't have to predefine which language is being spoken. Ideal for global audiences or multilingual content. One powerful feature is the ability to enhance accuracy through custom vocabulary. This allows you to add domain-specific terms, like brand names, industry jargon, or technical acronyms, ensuring that the transcriptions are not only accurate but contextually meaningful for your business. With speaker diarization, Transcribe can detect and label different speakers within a conversation. So whether you're transcribing a business meeting, a podcast, or a call center recording, the system can distinguish who's saying what, making the transcript easier to read and analyze. Channel separation adds another layer of precision by independently transcribing multiple audio channels, like two sides of a phone call, while keeping the dialogue intact and clearly segmented. To protect user privacy and comply with data regulations, Transcribe includes content redaction. It can automatically detect and redact personally identifiable information, or PII, such as names, phone numbers, and addresses, without compromising the rest of the transcript. For organizations that need to monitor or restrict specific content, Transcribe also supports vocabulary filtering. You can define lists of words or phrases to highlight, remove, or tag, allowing you to meet compliance standards or enforce content policies. Lastly, for the healthcare sector, Amazon Transcribe offers medical transcription specialization. It's designed specifically for medical professionals, with built-in support for clinical terminology, structured formatting, and high accuracy in noisy or fast-paced environments like hospitals and clinics. Amazon Transcribe unlocks a wide range of use cases by converting spoken language into text, making audio content more accessible, searchable, and actionable. One of the most widespread uses of Amazon Transcribe is in media content accessibility. By automatically generating captions and subtitles, content creators can make videos more inclusive for people with hearing impairments. It also helps improve viewer engagement across different platforms and devices. In customer service, call center analytics is a major area where Transcribe shines. By converting customer interactions into textual data, businesses can analyze calls at scale and even ensuring compliance with internal scripts or regulatory standards. For teams and enterprises, Transcribe supports meeting intelligence by automating note-taking. Speaker-attributed transcripts help teams keep a clear, structured record of discussions, decisions, and action items, perfect for keeping everyone on the same page, even after the meeting ends. In the world of publishing and media production, Transcribe enables faster content creation workflows. Editors and writers can use transcripts to quickly review interviews, podcasts, or video footage, allowing them to focus on storytelling rather than manual transcription. When it comes to regulatory or legal compliance, Amazon Transcribe supports compliance monitoring. Recorded communications, like sales calls or financial advisories, can be transcribed and analyzed to flag any potential violations, helping organizations meet oversight and audit requirements. Transcribe also plays a key role in legal documentation. Whether it's courtroom proceedings, depositions, or testimonies, the ability to quickly convert spoken words into text helps law professionals save time and improve accuracy in record keeping. In education, Amazon Transcribe enables educational content processing. Lectures, webinars, and presentations can be transformed into searchable text, making it easier for students to review materials and for institutions to repurpose content into study guides or transcripts. And finally, Transcribe helps power voice command analysis. By transcribing large volumes of voice input, developers can build rich training datasets to improve voice assistants, smart speakers, and conversational AI systems. Amazon Polly is a powerful text-to-speech service from AWS that brings your applications to life by turning written content into lifelike spoken audio. It's designed to help developers build engaging voice-enabled experiences that are fast, scalable, and easy to integrate. At the core of Polly is text-to-speech synthesis, the ability to take written text and generate natural-sounding speech using cutting-edge deep learning technologies. This means you can convert anything from articles and instructions to alerts and news updates into high-quality audio. Polly offers two main types of voices. First, there are neural voices built on advanced neural TTS technology. These voices deliver remarkably realistic and expressive speech, capturing subtle variations in tone, pitch, and rhythm to sound more human than ever before. For cost-effective scenarios where slightly lower fidelity is acceptable, Polly also includes standard voice options. These voices still offer good quality and are well suited for many use cases, especially where budget or latency is a concern. Polly supports over 60 voices across 30-plus languages, with a wide range of regional accents. Whether you're building a global application or one tailored to a local audience, Polly ensures your content feels natural and relatable to users around the world. For developers who need precise control over how speech is generated, Polly supports SSML, or Speech Synthesis Markup Language. SSML allows you to fine-tune intonation, pauses, volume, and pronunciation, bringing your audio output closer to how a human speaker would deliver it. With lexicon management, you can create custom pronunciation dictionaries. This is especially useful for brand names, acronyms, or industry-specific terminology that may not be pronounced correctly by default. Polly also offers speech marks, which are time-coded metadata tags that track the position of words and phonemes in the audio. This enables developers to synchronize spoken words with on-screen animations, subtitles, or even avatars. Finally, Polly supports real-time audio streaming. This low-latency feature is essential for interactive applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, or accessibility tools that need to respond instantly to user input. Amazon Polly opens the door to a wide range of real-world applications by transforming text into lifelike speech. It empowers developers and businesses to create rich, engaging audio experiences that scale across industries and use cases. One of Polly's most impactful applications is in content accessibility. By generating spoken versions of digital content, Polly helps organizations ensure their websites, apps, and documents are accessible to visually impaired users, making the digital world more inclusive and user-friendly. In the world of customer support and telecom, Poly is used to create interactive voice response systems, or IVRs. With Poly's natural-sounding speech, these systems can deliver more engaging, human-like interactions, reducing frustration and improving satisfaction. E-learning platforms use Poly to add high-quality narration to training courses, lessons, and study modules. This allows educators to scale their content globally, offering learners the option to listen instead of read, which enhances engagement and accessibility. Poly also powers public announcement systems in transportation hubs like airports, train stations, and buses, as well as in retail stores and public buildings. It provides clear, consistent, and multilingual announcements, which are easy to maintain and update in real time. Poly enables voice-enabled devices to communicate with users on IoT devices. Smart appliances, home assistants, and other connected gadgets can speak using Poly's voices, providing a friendly and intuitive interface for everyday tasks. In publishing, Poly plays a major role in audiobook production. Authors and content creators can convert their written material into automated audio narration, speeding up the publishing process while maintaining a professional sound. The gaming industry benefits as well. Poly is used to generate gaming character voices on the fly by bringing dynamic speech to in-game scenarios without the need for pre-recorded voice lines. Finally, Poly helps businesses maintain a consistent brand voice across all channels. From mobile apps to customer service lines to marketing campaigns, Poly ensures your communication stays aligned and recognizable across multi-channel customer touchpoints. Amazon Translate is a fully managed neural machine translation service that makes it easy to translate text quickly and accurately across languages. At the heart of the service is neural machine translation, a deep learning-based approach that delivers high-quality, natural-sounding translations. These models continuously improve, learning context, structure, and semantics to produce results that are far more fluent than traditional rule-based systems. To streamline the translation process even further, automatic language detection can identify the source language without requiring user input, saving time and reducing the risk of manual errors in multilingual workflows. Translate also supports custom terminology, which ensures that domain-specific language, like brand names, technical jargon, or product terms, is translated consistently and accurately across all your content. For content moderation needs, profanity filtering lets you automatically mask offensive terms in the translated output. This is especially useful for user-generated content or public-facing applications where brand safety is a priority. Translate supports real-time translation, making it ideal for interactive applications like live chat, multilingual websites, and in-app messaging. Users can communicate instantly across languages, helping businesses deliver seamless customer experiences around the world. For larger workloads, Amazon Translate also enables batch translation, allowing you to process thousands of documents or records asynchronously. This is perfect for companies handling global product catalogs, large-scale content migration, or document archives. Amazon Translate also supports document translation for a variety of file types, including Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, HTML pages, and even PDFs, preserving layout and formatting while delivering high-quality translations. And with formality control, you can fine-tune the tone of your translations to match the context, choosing between formal or informal styles depending on your audience and brand voice. Amazon Translate unlocks powerful use cases across industries by making language translation fast, scalable, and accurate. One of the most common applications is global content distribution. Whether you're publishing a website, launching a new marketing campaign, or sharing product documentation, Amazon Translate allows you to instantly localize content in multiple languages. In the realm of customer service, Translate powers real-time multilingual support. Agents and support bots can instantly translate customer questions and responses across live chat, email, or ticketing systems. This enables international customer support without the need for bilingual staff, improving responsiveness and satisfaction. Cross-border e-commerce is another key use case. Translate makes it easy to convert product descriptions, user reviews, and return policies into the languages your customers speak, helping you enter new markets faster and more effectively. For support and operations teams, Amazon Translate helps create and manage multilingual knowledge bases. Internal help articles, how-to guides, and technical documentation can be updated once and then translated automatically, maintaining consistency and accessibility for teams and customers worldwide. Translate is also valuable for research and analysis. Organizations can process and understand international reports, studies, or data sets in multiple languages, enabling more comprehensive and inclusive decision-making. In the age of digital engagement, social media monitoring benefits from Translate's ability to analyze multilingual feedback, reviews, and sentiment data, giving brands a real-time understanding of global customer perception. Finally, in regulated industries, Translate supports the translation of compliance documentation, including legal agreements, contracts, and regulatory filings. This ensures that important information is accessible and accurate across jurisdictions. Amazon Lex and Amazon Connect bring conversational AI to life, enabling businesses to create smart, scalable, and human-like interactions through voice and chat. Together, they form a powerful solution for delivering automated customer experiences across multiple channels. At the heart of Amazon Lex is its conversational AI platform, which provides developers with the tools to build intelligent chatbots and voice assistants. These bots can handle everything from answering FAQs to booking appointments and processing transactions, all without the need for a human agent. Lex leverages natural language understanding, or NLU, powered by deep learning. This means the system can accurately detect user intent and extract key information, known as entities, from a user's input, and allows for fluid and intuitive conversations. For more advanced interactions, Lex supports multi-turn conversations. This means your chatbot can maintain context and memory throughout a dialogue, asking follow-up questions, confirming inputs, or adjusting based on what the user says next, just like a real conversation. With omnichannel deployment capabilities, bots built with Lex can be integrated into websites, mobile apps, messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger or Slack, and even voice systems. This makes it easy to reach customers wherever they are. Lex works seamlessly with Amazon Connect, AWS's cloud-based contact center. This enables you to automate routine customer service calls, route inquiries based on intent, and offer self-service options, reducing wait times and operational costs. To enhance decision-making, Lex provides intent confidence scores, which measure how sure the system is about the user's request. This allows you to implement fallback strategies like re-asking or routing to a live agent when uncertainty is high. And finally, session management helps maintain user context across multiple interactions or sessions so users don't have to repeat themselves, and bots can deliver more personalized experiences. Amazon Lex and Amazon Connect power a wide range of real-world use cases, enabling organizations to create intelligent, responsive, and scalable conversational experiences. One of the most common use cases is customer self-service. By automating responses to frequently asked questions, like checking account balances, updating contact details, or resetting passwords, Lex reduces call volumes and improves customer satisfaction through 24/7 availability. Lex and Connect also enable virtual contact center agents. These AI-powered assistants serve as the first point of contact for inbound calls or chats, handling basic inquiries and triaging complex cases to human agents when needed. This leads to faster resolutions and more efficient use of support resources. In the world of scheduling, appointment booking systems powered by Lex offer conversational interfaces for setting, modifying, or canceling appointments. Users can interact naturally, just like they would with a human, whether they're booking a medical checkup or reserving a table at a restaurant. For businesses in retail, logistics, and e-commerce, Lex can automate order processing workflows. Customers can place or track orders using voice or chat, and the bot can guide them through the process while pulling live data from back-end systems. In IT departments, Lex supports help desk automation by addressing common technical issues, like Wi-Fi connectivity problems or password resets, without involving a technician. This allows IT teams to focus on more complex problems while improving response times. Lex can also be embedded into HR information systems, enabling employees to get answers to HR-related questions, check PTO balances, access policy documents, or initiate common workflows, all through a simple conversation. By integrating Lex into interactive voice response (IVR) systems, organizations can modernize legacy phone menus. Instead of forcing users to press 1 for sales, Lex allows them to speak naturally, greatly enhancing the user experience and reducing friction. And with support for multiple languages, Lex enables multi-language customer support, making it easier for global businesses to serve diverse audiences efficiently without the need for multilingual agents. Amazon Comprehend is a fully managed natural language processing service that uses machine learning to help you uncover valuable insights from unstructured text. Whether it's customer feedback or social media posts, Comprehend makes it easy to understand what your text is actually saying. At scale, one of its core features is sentiment analysis. Comprehend can automatically assess the emotional tone of a piece of text, identifying whether it's positive, negative, neutral, or mixed. This helps businesses gauge how customers feel about their products, services, or brand. It also provides key phrase extraction, which highlights the most relevant and meaningful phrases in a document. This allows you to quickly summarize and understand the main topics without reading the entire text. With language detection, Comprehend can determine the dominant language of any given document or text snippet. This is especially useful in global applications, where customer input might arrive in multiple languages. Security and privacy are also a top priority. With PII detection and redaction, Comprehend can automatically identify sensitive personal information, like names and social security numbers, and remove or mask it to help meet compliance and data protection requirements. Entity recognition is another powerful capability. Comprehend can scan through your documents and automatically identify real-world entities like people, locations, organizations, dates, and more. This is useful for structuring data that would otherwise be buried in long-form text. Beyond the built-in capabilities, Comprehend also supports custom classification. You can train your own machine learning models to categorize documents based on criteria specific to your business. For example, classifying support tickets by urgency or routing legal documents by type. And for even more domain-specific use cases, you can use custom entity recognition. This allows you to teach Comprehend how to find industry-specific terms, jargon, or categories that wouldn't appear in a general-purpose model. Amazon Comprehend isn't just a powerful natural language processing tool, it's also highly versatile, with a wide range of practical, real-world applications across industries. One of the most popular applications is voice of customer analysis. By analyzing customer feedback from surveys, social media, product reviews, and support tickets, Comprehend helps businesses understand what customers are saying and how they feel. Content recommendation systems also benefit from Comprehend's text classification features. By categorizing articles, blog posts, or documents based on topics and keywords, companies can deliver personalized content suggestions that match each user's interests. In regulated industries, compliance monitoring is critical. Comprehend can scan communications and documents to identify potential violations of corporate or legal policies. This helps reduce risk and improve oversight at scale. In the media industry, news and media analysis uses Comprehend to extract entities and topics from articles. This allows publishers and aggregators to automatically organize, tag, and recommend content more efficiently, improving discoverability and user engagement. In customer support operations, support ticket routing is a common pattern. Comprehend can classify incoming requests based on subject matter or urgency and direct them to the right team, speeding up resolution and improving customer satisfaction. Brand sentiment tracking is another key use case. By monitoring how customers talk about a brand across various digital platforms, businesses can detect changes in public sentiment and respond proactively. For companies keeping a close eye on the competition, competitive intelligence helps identify mentions of competitors in news, social channels, or reviews. Comprehend can analyze the surrounding sentiment, providing insights into public perception and positioning. Finally, in content-heavy environments, document processing workflows are made smarter with Comprehend. By extracting relevant topics, phrases, and classifications, documents can be routed, prioritized, or handled automatically based on what they contain, saving time and reducing manual overhead. When it comes to enterprise search, traditional keyword-based systems often fall short, especially when users ask complex questions or need to find answers buried deep in diverse sets of content. That's where Amazon Kendra steps in. Amazon Kendra is an intelligent search service designed to understand natural language queries, just like how people naturally ask questions. Whether you're looking for a policy document, a product manual, or a technical specification, Kendra interprets the meaning behind your query rather than just scanning for exact word matches. At the core of Kendra is its natural language query processing capability. This means users can type questions like, "What is the company's remote work policy?" instead of just searching for remote work. And Kendra will return the most relevant document excerpts, not just links. Kendra also supports document indexing across a wide range of formats, from PDFs and Word documents to wikis and structured databases. This allows organizations to centralize search across siloed repositories. Unlike traditional search engines, Kendra enables semantic search, so it understands the context and intent behind your query, not just the keywords. Even better, Kendra is designed to learn from user interactions. Over time, it improves its ranking and relevance based on which results users actually click or find helpful, making your search smarter the more it's used. To help with industry-specific jargon, you can define custom synonyms. This ensures that unique terminology, like calling customers patients or clients, is understood correctly in your environment. And of course, access control integration ensures that users only see what they're authorized to access. Kendra respects your existing permissions and security models, helping you maintain data privacy and compliance. One of the most impactful applications of Kendra is in enterprise knowledge management. Imagine having a unified search experience that spans your internal wikis, shared drives, emails, and document repositories. For businesses serving external users, Kendra powers customer support portals, enabling customers to resolve their own issues by simply asking questions in plain language. It reduces pressure on live agents and improves the customer experience. In the legal field, Kendra is a powerful tool for legal document discovery. Legal teams often deal with vast volumes of contracts, case files, and regulatory documents. Kendra allows attorneys and paralegals to search and locate specific clauses or related cases within seconds. In research and development knowledge bases, scientists and engineers can retrieve prior research, experimental data, or lab notes, speeding up innovation and reducing duplication of effort. Kendra also boosts internal efficiency through employee self-service portals. Whether it's checking PTO policy, understanding benefits, or onboarding processes, employees can get answers quickly without reaching out to HR. For organizations with complex documentation, technical documentation search is another great use case. Developers, support engineers, or customers can easily navigate product manuals, API references, and system guides without hunting through hundreds of pages. Kendra also supports compliance information management, helping companies stay on top of regulations by providing fast access to policy documents, regulatory frameworks, and audit records, all with secure access controls. And in the education sector, educational content discovery becomes a breeze. Whether students are searching digital libraries, course material, or lecture transcripts, Kendra helps surface the most relevant information, enabling better learning outcomes. Amazon Personalize brings the power of real-time machine learning to the world of personalization, helping businesses deliver uniquely tailored experiences to every user at scale. At its core, Personalize is a real-time personalization service, which means it dynamically adapts to each user's behavior and context to create highly relevant experiences. One of its primary capabilities is recommendation generation. Personalize looks at what users have interacted with, like items they've viewed, purchased, or rated, and uses that data to recommend new products, articles, or content they're likely to enjoy. The engine processes real-time events, meaning it can instantly respond to user actions. Clicks, views, and purchases can immediately influence what recommendations are shown next, keeping the experience fresh and timely. It also supports personalized ranking, allowing you to reorder a list of items, such as search results or product catalogs, based on what's most relevant to that specific user in that moment. With similar items discovery, you can help users find alternatives that match their interests. For example, if someone is looking at a specific shirt or movie, Personalize can suggest others with similar styles, themes, or attributes. Going further, Personalize enables next best action determination, which helps guide users along optimal journeys, like suggesting the next video to watch or the right article to read based on their recent behavior. It also tackles the cold start problem, using algorithms that make effective recommendations for brand new users or newly added items, even with limited data. Finally, explainable recommendations bring transparency to the table. This helps you understand and even show users why a particular item was recommended, building trust and clarity into the experience. Amazon Personalize unlocks the full potential of real-time machine learning personalization across a wide variety of industries and use cases. In e-commerce, it powers intelligent product recommendations, offering each shopper a personalized experience, from homepages to search results to cart suggestions. This means customers find what they need faster and businesses see higher conversion rates. In the media and entertainment space, Personalize fuels content discovery. Whether it's video streaming, news articles, or music apps, users are guided to the next binge-worthy show, trending story, or song, based on their tastes and interactions. For the travel industry, Personalize helps craft booking suggestions tailored to individual preferences. From personalized hotel offers to destination recommendations, users receive travel ideas that align with their past behavior and upcoming needs. In financial services, the technology enables targeted product offerings, like credit cards, loan options, or insurance plan, based on customer profiles and activity, while staying compliant and relevant. In education, Personalized supports adaptive learning by sequencing course content based on a student's performance and pace, helping learners progress in ways that suit their style and strengths. For mobile apps, it drives user engagement by delivering custom in-app experiences, notifications, and content that keep users active and returning frequently. Marketers benefit through campaign optimization. With Personalize, promotional content, offers, and messages can be fine-tuned to match the unique interests of each recipient, improving engagement and conversion. And for subscription-based businesses, Personalize enhances service recommendation models, suggesting relevant subscription tiers, upgrades, or add-ons that best match individual needs. Amazon Textract is a powerful document processing service that uses advanced machine learning to automatically extract text, forms, tables, and structured data from virtually any document, transforming paper-based processes into intelligent digital workflows. At its core, Textract performs highly accurate OCR, or optical character recognition, enabling the extraction of printed and scanned text from a wide range of document types, whether it's invoices, receipts, contracts, or scanned letters. But it goes beyond basic text extraction. Textract intelligently identifies form data, capturing key value pairs such as name, John Doe, or invoice number 12345. This means you get not just raw text, but meaningful context, perfect for digitizing administrative documents or automating data entry. When it comes to structured information, Textract's table extraction capability preserves rows and columns, recognizing complex tables and capturing them in a format that's ready for databases or spreadsheets, ideal for financial records, reports, and beyond. Textract integrates seamlessly with Amazon Comprehend, allowing for natural language understanding on top of the raw text, enabling document classification, sentiment analysis, and entity recognition. Speaking of classification, Textract also supports document categorization, automatically identifying whether a document is a W-2, an insurance claim, a passport, or something else, making it easier to sort and route at scale. Textract doesn't just work with printed text. It also supports handwriting recognition, enabling digitization of handwritten notes, forms, and legacy records with surprising accuracy. And with query-based extraction, users can target specific information by asking questions like, "What's the due date?" or "Who is the recipient?", returning only the relevant answers from unstructured content. Amazon Textract enables organizations to automate the extraction of critical information from documents at scale, empowering smarter workflows and faster decision-making across industries. One of the most transformative use cases is automated data entry. By eliminating the need for manual typing and validation, Textract accelerates form processing, reduces errors, and frees up teams to focus on higher value tasks. In the world of finance and accounting, Textract powers invoice processing systems by extracting payment details, line items, vendor names, due dates, and totals, enabling faster approvals and accurate reconciliation with minimal human intervention. In the mortgage industry, Textract simplifies mortgage application processing, handling a wide array of complex financial documents, W-2s, pay stubs, tax returns, extracting and organizing relevant information to streamline underwriting and compliance. For identity verification, Textract supports ID verification workflows, extracting key details such as names, dates of birth, and document numbers from passports, licenses, and national IDs, critical for KYC and onboarding flows. In healthcare, it facilitates claims processing, extracting data from medical forms, prescriptions, and insurance paperwork, drastically reducing cycle times and improving service quality. Textract also plays a vital role in contract analysis systems, helping legal teams identify clauses, dates, parties, and obligations buried within lengthy agreements, cutting review time and enabling proactive compliance. Expense management gets a boost through receipt processing, where Textract captures vendor names, totals, and dates, enabling automated expense tracking and reimbursements. Finally, organizations undergoing document digitization projects rely on Textract to convert paper archives into searchable, structured digital formats, paving the way for better records management and data accessibility. As we wrap up our journey through the AWS AI and machine learning ecosystem, let's take a moment to reflect on the immense value these services bring to organizations of all sizes. AWS offers a comprehensive suite of AI and ML capabilities that empower teams to innovate faster, smarter, and at scale. From pre-trained services like Rekognition, Poly, and Translate to fully customizable platforms like SageMaker and Comprehend, AWS makes it easier than ever to embed intelligence into your applications. These services are designed to accelerate innovation, letting you go from idea to production with significantly reduced development time. Whether you're building a recommendation engine, automating document workflows, or analyzing customer sentiment, AWS gives you the tools to do it efficiently and effectively. With customization and extensibility at the core, AWS AI services can be adapted to fit the unique requirements of your domain, no matter how specialized. And thanks to their seamless integration with the broader AWS ecosystem, these services work fluidly within your existing architecture and data pipelines. Built for the cloud, these solutions are scalable and cost-effective, with pay-as-you-go pricing and elastic infrastructure that supports everything from startup prototypes to enterprise-grade deployments. Security is a given, with enterprise-grade compliance, encryption, and access controls built into every service. Best of all, AWS AI services bring real-time intelligence to your business processes, powering automation, decision-making, and personalized experiences at the speed of your customers' expectations. With AWS, you're not just keeping up. You're building a future-ready platform that's always evolving. Thank you for joining us in this video. If you haven't already, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. We look forward to sharing more insights with you in another video. Until then, keep exploring. And thank you for watching.